Hi guys. So I got a lot of questions about question number 3 from the Critical Skills Review packet. It deals with this point C that has to be placed somewhere in between A and B so that the ratio of AC to CB is 2 to 1. Now this is similar to question number 3, so use this as a guide. All right, so these aren't the answers to that question, but this will hopefully help you get there. So here's what we want to do. We want to place point C somewhere in between this segment. In my opinion, I think that C is going to be placed closer to B than A. So how do I know that? Well, I know that because if they're comparing AC to CB as a 2 to 1 ratio, well, that means AC is 2 parts compared to CB's 1 part, right? The length of AC should be twice the length of CB. So essentially what I'd like to do is I want to focus on the fact that there should be 3 parts. I want to divide this segment up into 3 equal sections. Some people had expressed that they found the length. Now, finding the length is good, but it's not going to find us the location of point C. You can find the distance from A to B and just divide it up into, I guess, 2/3 and 1/3, but that's not going to find us our location. So how do we find that location? So in order to do so, I've highlighted the slope, right? So if I wanted to find the rise, I take my delta y, -1 minus -7, or 6. My delta x, 10 minus 1, or 9. So I have an overall rise of 6 and a run of 9. So down here I wrote my slope from A to B is 6/9. What I'd like to do is divide that slope up into 3 equal parts. So in order to do so, I'm going to take the rise of 6, I'm going to divide it by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now I want to take my run. I want to divide this up into 3 equal parts. So I'm going to take the run of 9 divided by 3, gives me 3 again. So basically here's what I'd like to do. I want to move according to this slope in increments from A to B. So for example, I'm going to use a rise of 2 and a run of 3 from point A. So here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate that, right? From this new point, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So that's going to get me here. And just to check, by the time I'm done, I should still have another equal slope of up 1, right 3, and I do. Essentially, I've divided this up into 3 equal parts. 2 of those parts are from A to C. 1 of those parts is from C to B. So now what I'd like to do is determine where point C is, because that's what we were asked to find, the coordinates. So that's going to be 7 units to the right and 3 units down. So 7, -3. So in summary, once I know the ratio, that tells me how many parts to divide this up into. If this was 3 to 1, then how many parts would you divide it up into, right? So what will we do? You'll take the number of parts, divide your slope, and break up your segment into pieces. I hope this helps, guys. Good luck.